Hello parents, welcome to KG Weekly Update. Children had lot of fun this week. We had planned virtual field trip for KG1 and KG2 children. Children enjoyed visiting the green planet. They learned about different animals found in rainforest. Whereas KG1 children had a feel of getting in the bus and traveling to Arabia Wildlife Center. They saw different animals found in this wildlife. In light of the current pandemic this year, the World Food Day was celebrated with the theme Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. Our action are our future. We at Ambassador also celebrated International World Food Day. I would like to thank all the parents for planning everything well in advance and showing our teachers and children beautiful traditional food. Children also showed their traditional food cooked at home. They also learned not to waste food and the importance of eating healthy food. Parents, let's see what children have done in academics.
Children of KG1 revised the story How the Camel Got His Hump in literacy this week, and they promptly volunteered answers to questions put to them. They did the mark making of the story, characters and settings in their story template and sang the song Alice the Camel Had 5 Humps. Moving on to phonics, letter and sound of Y and Z were done along with the letter activities. Sight words by and my were introduced too.
In Kindergarten, KG1 numeracy, students revised the topic estimation. They did fun activities like they estimated how many steps they need to walk from one end of the sofa to the other. They also estimated how many cookies or sandwiches they can fit in the lunchbox. They were introduced to number 11 and they also did the notebook work of missing numbers.
This week in UW, students explored more about desert habitat. They have learned more about plants, vehicles and clothes used in desert. In creative activity, they made cactus and desert using different materials. Extension to their learning, we have planned field trip visit to Sharjah Desert Park. In this way, our little explorer enjoyed the desert habitat.
In phonics, we have learnt digraph OW. Children came with many words like elbow, bow, wheelbarrow, etc. In literacy, we continued the story Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. A new topic, picture comprehension, was introduced, where children looked at the picture and framed sentences.
In numeracy, the learners learned the names of the 3D shapes. They explored and recognized the 3D shapes around them in real life. They thoroughly enjoyed themselves while exhibiting the 3D shapes that they found. By now, they know the difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape. Learning about shapes helps the learners to visualize and organize.
In UW, students concluded the topic of construction. They discussed about all the constructions they have learned so far. They also discussed the importance of a bridge, raft and tower. We connected UW with numeracy this week, the current topic 3D shapes. Students made many objects like a robo, dice and even castles, selecting a 3D shape like a sphere, cube, cuboid or a pyramid.
Pink Day was Day for Women, for our teachers and for our parents. On account of Pink Day campaign, we had arranged a webinar on breast cancer awareness for parents and teachers. Dr. Safina Anas from Esther Hospital conducted a very informative session. Thank you parents once again for all your support. This is for the week. See you next week.